Welcome everybody to Rafa's Garage. Gonna try and get Papush's Celica to start. Why are you gonna start it?
So the battery won't die?
Oh, the battery won't die?
But it's already dead. Almost dead. What happens when you have too many cars that you don't drive?
Damn, that gas door though.
Hey, look.
What?
Hey,
Do they fold?
I'm not gonna waste the battery right now. Clean as hell, bro.
You're cool.
I know, right? It's gonna be me soon. Me and Papush.
You're cool. Damn, relocated battery.
Let's see if this shit even has battery. Go.
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 No, don't do it. Don't do it.
What's with the ABS light?
She ripped the sensor. You can replace it? Yeah.
Pop up in the hood.
It's already popped.
Oh. Turned off already. You heard it? Yeah, pump. Right here.
How do you notice a lot of gains from the or is it the same point?
You feel it. You feel it. This one's a little more torquier than PPE. I feel like this one accelerates a little bit faster than mine.
Nice.
Hey, bro, you're right.
He's gonna be on the new video. Go downstairs. Go find the transmission. Go find all the stuff, and me and Clay will be over there to pick it up.
He censored it because it's for YouTube. But we already know what he said before that.
I didn't say it.
Fuck down there, you big sack of shit, you fucking fat motherfucker, you fucking diabetic son of a bitch. Like, I feel so attacked right now.
That was Rafa. Thank you very much.
A heart attack.
Hey, health problems?
Health
You know, he's already getting out of bed. No, he's already out.
Am I still on YouTube? Alright, YouTube, we're gonna be fishes now.
Hey, are you gonna roll down the stairs?
You're on YouTube right now. This is going on YouTube.
Hey. That's how I start my day, guys. Feed my fishes every day.
Vlog style.
Hey, never has he ever done a vlog though.
Why is the fuck upside down? Does Sebastian not know how to hold a camera? Why are you like this? You don't hold like this, you hold like this.
It's good. Ryzen shot. What is it? Ryzen shot.
Sebastian, you guys talk yet? It's already middle of the day. What the hell?
Es que
That's
mi,
what you were saying in the video.
Wait, what time is it right now?
es que mi inglés no es bueno.
Me, English, no, it's
No es bueno.
You're not chunty enough to pull that card. Rafa can pull that card. I feel like chunty as fuck, but you can't pull that card. You look like you were born here still.
right, find
I
the.
have to ask Sebastian. ¿Tienes tus papeles?
That's a Build-A-Bear diploma.
Hey, how can you tell so quick?
Huh?
I was like, how can you tell so quick?
Because I got a Build-A-Bear from a cute girl over there. Turn around. Turn around.
She doesn't want to be in your
Turn around.
It's okay, because my girl got me that one.
He got me one first. It all started because his cheesy idea.
All right. No more. Find the stuff. This video's getting long.
All right.
Oh. You think he's gonna go for it?
Yeah.
Watch out. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. No?
Come on, baby.
Oh, you were right, dude. Oh shit. Dude. Oh fuck. Oh, I'm sorry that I'm fucking screaming like a girl, bro. I'm sorry, I'm screaming like a girl.
So what happened in Mexico? This is Sinaloa. We're about to cross over to wherever the fuck border Sinaloa. I don't know. Michoacan or something. It's Michoacan Avenue.
Pinche Rafa. Hey, you did pull though. You did pull, but I don't know what gear he
Once
got.
he actually gets traction.
Yeah, once he got traction, he left.
Yeah, he actually did a good job at not fucking. He did a good job at pedaling it and not going full throttle. Because last time he just fucking was hell bent on flooring it, and it was just spin through the next gear. So if he actually lets out the throttle, waits to catch traction, only half throttles it until it gets traction and full throttle, he'll start pulling harder. But last time he raced, he just fucking gunned it, so it just spun.
So what does friendship mean to you?
What is this friendship? It was a nice sunny day when I met Rafa. He sold me some DDPR ported headers for $100 probably, I think. Maybe 200, who knows. I then asked him, hey bro, can you help me install them? I'll pay you. Yeah, sure, come down to my shop. All right. After I took him home, I found out a pain in the ass to install. I go to his shop. We discussed no payment of price to work. After he installs it for me, I think I shoot him $40 and say thanks, bro. Note to self: removing your fucking headers requires removing the fucking axle, draining your tranny fluid, all that shit. He did that for me.
It wasn't hard. I still lowball.
There you go. Lowball. Only gave him $40.
Damn. Lowball.
Tony told me that you were not even Tony. Everyone said you were a dick. Oh, Rafa's a fucking asshole. Fuck that guy. But he was selling a part for a cheap price. I was like, well, asshole or not, I'm buying his part. Oh my god, you're
What the hell are you
Jesus
doing?
Christ. Incarnation.
Almost on your sponsor too.
I don't know. That became the fucking birth to a beautiful friendship. Fucking, we started hanging out. I basically did that shop for a while. It's always there. Now here's little bitches.
Aw.
Came to the daddy side of town.
That was beautiful.
Said fuck the
I
valley.
know. The tears.
It doesn't matter if the car is not filled with engines and transmissions, because on the drive home, it's still filled up with shit.
And with me.
We have a Harbor Freight 20-ton press. We have a C60 LSD. We have a Molly wing and a Tsunami wing. You can get them side by side right there. My power tools, some tools, a bunch of miscellaneous stuff for the transmission. Then we have a fender and a PPE mid pipe and all our junk over there. So still filled with a bunch of stuff. Sadly, this Matrix is burning oil. When we got here, I did do the oil change before, and when we got here, it was pretty low. So I'm gonna have to go to Walmart and just buy some oil just to be safe and, you know, at least make it home, because Clayton did say he is going to sell me a 04 1ZZ and gonna put it in the Matrix. So that's another video for another day.
Hey, when you said going to Walmart, I was like, what are you gonna go to Walmart for? A 1ZZ? The fuck?
And we need to go to Walmart, get some oil. So this 1ZZ makes it home.
Spiral ham, a salad so berry, green beans and Brussels, and eggs topped with cherries.
So we're on our way to potentially buy another one of these, the Matrix. Don't know yet. We're gonna look at it. If it checks out, we're getting it. If it doesn't, I'm not getting it. That's Clayton's call. So it is an 05 XRS. A couple mods done to it. RPF ones, leaking timing chain cover gasket, but the guy has everything for it. And retrofit headlights. So I don't know. We're gonna go look at it. We don't have to buy it because Clayton already bought another car. Jeez. We got about 51 minutes left. We're heading to Ventura. Ventura is the place where I went to go buy that silver Celica for $700. So it is about 30 minutes out east from the Grapevine. So we're gonna see which way is better to go back home. Most likely gonna be still through the Grapevine. So Clayton wants to buy a fucking Matrix, and we're here looking at this guy that got threatened by Mitch Doré to get his head cut off. Oh, it's been repainted, dude. Oh, beautiful. Definitely been repainted. Kind of a shitty job. Look at that.
It's hard to take off. I feel like
Very easy. I don't like that the badges are repainted. Oh, there's another one right there.
Wet sand?
Paint's ass. Oh, you're missing the roof trim.
It's not slick top. Look, there's sunroof.
Well, Clayton just bought an XRS, apparently.